Residents in the Romanian town of Plauru felt the impact of Russian drones last night after debris struck the country's border with Ukraine.
Au fost foarte multe și cu o încărcătură foarte puternică. Cele care au fost până august, mai în urmă, mai au fost, dar nu așa. Cele de mari seara au avut o încărcătură fenomenal de mare.
Ceva așa, o lumină care se ducea când încolo, când încoace, când încolo, adică ca și cum urmărea ceva. Cred că avea o lunetă ceva.
Sus la un metru și ceva s-a produs explozia, dar ce vedem aici este urma lăsată de dronă în momentul în care aceasta a căzut pe sol. Suntem la 350 de metri probabil de portul ucrainean bombardat.
Romania has said that military action near its border endangers national security and issued a reminder that targeting civilians is a war crime.
Avem serviciul de poliție aeriană și asta este misiunea serviciului de poliție aeriană.
Le pot distruge dacă intră pe teritoriul?
Bineînțeles, bineînțeles. Trebuie să înțelegeți că proximitatea zonei de conflict poate să genereze și astfel de riscuri.
NATO officials say they have no evidence to indicate this was an intentional Russian attack on the allied territory of Romania, but said the actions were irresponsible and potentially dangerous.
The wreckage of a Russian drone similar to Shahed was found 8 kilometers from the large Romanian city of Brăila, which is located more than 20 kilometers from the Ukrainian border. As a result of the drone's detonation, a 4-meter diameter crater was formed. Authorities received a report of a drone crash on the evening of March 28 at around 9:45 p.m. After that, law enforcement officers quickly cordoned off the area. Witnesses say that a loud explosion was heard when the drone crashed.
I would like to refer to the latest information regarding the identification by the Romanian Ministry of Defense on the territory of Romania in the proximity of our border with Ukraine of components that could belong to a drone. I was informed in real time by the Ministry of Defense regarding this discovery, and I requested an urgent and professional investigation of the origin of these components, as well as regarding the moment and circumstances in which they reached the Romanian soil. If it is confirmed that these elements belong to a Russian drone, such a situation would be completely inadmissible and a serious violation of the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Romania, a NATO ally.
Moving to Russia and Ukraine, so Romania has confirmed that more Russian drones showed up in its airspace. 3 Shaheds only from last night. Does this require decisive action or response from NATO?
So I'm not going to speak to that matter, only because there is still an ongoing investigation into what exactly happened and how it might happen, how it might have happened, and I think it's not appropriate for me to comment on it in advance. But obviously, we fully support all of our NATO allies. The president has made that clear from the outset of this conflict and from the outset of the administration.
Is there any discussion going behind the scene between the allies? And,
I'm never going to talk about private
discussions.
Alex, I'm going to move on only because I got to leave in I have to leave in 9 minutes.